All right, thank you, Reed. The Florida Health Department has announced a third person has died from coronavirus. This time, it is a 77-year-old person from Lee County, and it was not a travel-related case. This is the third death from the virus. Late last night, the state updated their numbers with 25 new positive cases, bringing the total to 70. ABC 27's Cara Bailey has details from this afternoon's briefing with Governor Ron DeSantis. What's the latest, Cara?
Governor Ron DeSantis has asked Florida's Emergency Management Director Jared Moskowitz to elevate the state's COVID-19 response to a level 1. Now that, of course, will free up additional resources and help escalate response time. Additionally, Governor Ron DeSantis has also asked the Florida Department of Health to recruit and hire additional epidemiologists for the duration of this emergency. He has also directed ACA to extend licenses for healthcare professionals for 90 days so that there will be less red tape between the people who need help the most and those who are helping fight the COVID crisis. DeSantis went on to advise the public of several new confirmed cases with a concentration in Broward County. Many of those cases have been linked to international travel, but 3 of them are still under investigation. The governor also disclosed his request to the Health and Human Services to send the 61 Floridians who were previously quarantined on board the Grand Princess back home. They were most recently stationed just a few miles away in Fort Dobbins, Georgia. Many of them are elderly and therefore more vulnerable to the fatal effects of the virus. Now, each of them has already undergone extensive testing and will still require a period of isolation. If you would like to review the governor's full address, we have it available for you on our social media platforms. You can check us out on Facebook and Twitter. You can also follow all of the COVID-19 updates on our website, WTXL.TV. Reporting live in Tallahassee, Cara Bailey, ABC 27.
All right, thank you so much, Cara. Now in Georgia, Governor Brian Kemp has also announced that the 34 Georgians in quarantine at Dobbins Air Force Base have permission to go home as soon as possible. They were part of the hundreds of cruise ship passengers from the Grand Princess that docked in California last week and had been exposed to the virus while on the ship. Now, several state agencies, including the National Guard and EMA, are on hand to help them with a safe transfer. That news comes right after Kemp announced the state's newly declared public health emergency in response to the spread of the virus. The state has seen its largest increase in the number of coronavirus cases over the past 24 hours, with the total number jumping to 66.